Welcome to another episode of Follow My Voice Story Time. So today we're going to go ahead and we're going to tackle a problem that you want to tackle. I want you to choose a small, tiny little problem today. I don't know what it is, whatever it is for you. All right, I want you to clear your mind. All right, clear your mind now. And first problem that comes up, little tiny problem, first one that comes into your mind. Got it? Lock it in. Good. Now that your problem is locked in, I don't want you to think about anything else. We're honed in on this little problem. You've chosen what you needed to choose. Your subconscious picked it. So now that it's locked in, before we deep dive, go ahead and hit that subscribe and notification icon. That way you can always be attuned to the latest content, whether I tell a story or whatever I do to solve a problem you have and make the world just a tiny 1% better place. Don't forget your problem. Lock it back in. All right. Hit that subscribe. Hit that notification. All right. Now that that's done, go ahead and take a seat somewhere. We're going to be closing our eyes, so get comfortable. And keep thinking about that problem. Don't you dare stop thinking about that problem. All right. Here's the challenge. I want you to look at a 45-degree angle. Find a spot. You're looking up, 45-degree angle, up. Keep your eyes up. Now, close your eyes now. You're still looking up at a 45-degree angle, but your eyes are closed. Okay, let's take a couple of deep breaths. We're going to do box breathing today. 4, 4, 4, 4. I feel like a 4 to the 4 today. And I'm going to breathe in for 4, hold it for 4, exhale for 4 with the famous shh sound, and hold it for 4, then breathe normally. Your job is to follow my voice, but you must keep looking up at a 45-degree angle with your eyes closed. Keep eyes closed. Ready? Let's get started. Breathe in for 4, now. Hold it. Exhale for 4. Hold it. Breathe normally. Still looking up at a 45-degree angle. Eyes are closed. Any other thoughts? Your job. Focus on that 45-degree angle. Keep your eyes closed. Eyeballs are still looking up. Relax your eyebrows, though. I don't want those eyebrows going up. Relax your eyebrows. Eyelids closed. One more. Let's do the box. Ready? Breathe in. Hold it. Exhale. Hold it. Breathe normally. Good. Now, what's going on here? Keep breathing. Keep eyes 45-degree angle, eyelids closed, keep breathing. Any thoughts? Nope. Your job is to keep those eyes at a 45-degree angle up. All thought goes there. And so you've got your problem. Now I want you to feel a little more relaxed now. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take you on a little journey. And remember, your job, you already locked in your problem. Your subconscious knows what it is. Me and your subconscious are going to have a little conversation right now. Your job, keep your eyes on that 45 degree. You don't pay attention. You don't need to pay attention to anything I'm saying. Although I know you will. Listen to me and follow my voice. Your job is to keep the 45-degree angle up. All right, mind clear. Keep looking at that 45-degree angle, and every time you breathe out, Good. I'm going to tell you a story. One afternoon, there was a woman who set out looking for her friend's house. She was feeling tired, not really paying attention till she got about halfway there, and then realized she lost her way. She decided to check her map. This was in the days before cell phones. Just imagine days before cell phones, when people actually had printed maps. She looks for that map for directions. So she looks in her purse, and in her right hand, she leant right down and left. She put down the drink she was holding because it was a hot day on the ground by her left foot using her left hand, then reaching right across her side with her left hand to the right pocket of her bag that was on the right. She discovered the map wasn't there. So she took her left hand out of the right pocket, deciding the pocket must be wrong, and that one of the pockets left must be right. She checked out of one of the pockets left, which wasn't right, and then another pocket she thought must be right, leaving only one left when she discovered that wasn't the right pocket in her purse either. She now knew it must be in the pocket left, which was on the right-hand side of her purse bag. She's convinced this pocket left must be right. She checked the pocket, discovering the pocket left was indeed right, and took out the map. There was the map. She then leant right down with her left hand, picked up the drink that she had put down earlier, right back up, left on the rest of her journey. Now with the map, she knew what she needed to do to solve the problem that she had needed to solve, which was how to find the correct path to her friend's house. She didn't now know what to do, but now that she had found the map, she knows what to do, how to do it. It was all crystal clear. She had always known what it was she needed to do, but she needed the map to reinforce what it was she needed to do to get what she needed to do done and solve the problem now. It's powerful. She felt great, a sense of relief, a sense of relief, and now building a sense of urgency and accomplishment. Because now, with the map, she knows what she needs to do now. Crystal clear what to do now to solve that problem, that little problem that is no longer a problem. In fact, whatever that problem was, it is now evaporating, like water evaporating into a hot desert sun, evaporating into the air, because it is gone now, no longer a problem, because it has been solved now. With that map, she knew what to do now and how to solve that problem now. With that, she went ahead and made it to her friend's house and celebrated because the problem was gone. Now, what's next? All done. Still looking up at that 45-degree angle, eyes still closed. Come back to following my voice. You hear my voice, and I want you to come back. And on the count of 1, I want you to come back to reality. Only as fast as you're ready to do so. 5. And each time I get closer to the number, you get more present. Eyes still closed. 4. Go ahead and wiggle your fingers. Okay, that's right. Come back. 3. Wiggle those toes. Ooh, there you go. 2. And now, only as fast as you're ready to do, open your eyes. 1. Wide awake. Bam. Come back to reality. And you know it's been taken care of. All right. I want you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification icon, because that has not been taken care of. And if it has, good. Now. And you know what you got to do. Go ahead and tackle that day.